So hello guys, welcome back to my channel and it's Tanya here. So today I'm at Full Creative Company which is located in Manyata Embassy Tech Park. There was a walk-in drive which was going on for the junior system engineer role. So the experience level was from 0 to 3 years. So in this company they have not mentioned about the shift timings or the location in the email. They just mention about the job description and the interview steps. Like first round is GD and second round was the HR round like that. So today they just conducted GD and HR round, that's all, and then they're saying you have to travel for Chennai. Like Chennai would be the work location, but nowhere else in the email they have mentioned that Chennai is the work location. But literally, literally, I felt so bad. It's like even though if you get selected for this type of company, you cannot be happy also, and you cannot be not happy also after you get selected. So it was the same situation for me. When I heard the news, like, okay, I just can survive or somewhere, if I think that in somewhere in my employment perspective, I can say that, okay, I just got selected or something, I can feel happy. But if the location itself, like if the work location itself is far from the place where you stay, literally it is really very bad. Nowadays cost of living is increasing day by day, and just if they made you to, get selected somewhere and work somewhere else, seriously, you can't save anything. Whatever you earn, everything will go there only. So for me, the Chennai would be the work location. I think seriously, I do not agree because since it is very far. And shift also, they did not mention in email like it would be night shift. But here suddenly, when I heard that it is night shift, literally I felt so bad. Literally extremely, my head was rotating. And the way they conducted the interview, it was not that much good actually. It was too much. It was completely messed up actually. The floor was it was, I actually felt that it was like a cafeteria to be honest, but there in the cafeteria only, people are eating, people are working, both also they're doing, oh my god. There was no private embedded space for the employees, to work securely and safely inside their workspace. Everything was so open and it was not good actually, and the way they conducted interview, literally, I, I feel it was not good actually. If you hear the word like night shift, especially girls, don't come. I'm telling you, please don't come. If there is another like morning shift or afternoon shift, if these two shifts they are providing from the company, that time only you choose and you move forward. Otherwise, please don't waste your time by choosing this night shift. Literally, you will spoil your health. Nowadays, if you work, overtime, you will get heart disease, a stroke or somewhere. So please take care of your health. Your health is in your hands actually. So please don't, sacrifice your health in order to choosing. Please don't sacrifice your health by choosing night shift job. Seriously, please take care of your health.